In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Asana to Slack in our full 2025 tutorial. By the end of this tutorial, you'll seamlessly integrate these two powerful tools, enhancing your team's productivity by merging task management with communication in a thoughtful, efficient manner. To kick things off, let's start with installing the Asana app in Slack. Open your Slack application and direct your attention to the left sidebar. There you'll find the Apps section. This area is your gateway to exploring and adding new functionalities to your team's workspace, so it's a good idea to get familiar with it. Once you're there, click on Browse Apps. In the search bar, type in Asana and hit search. You should see the Asana app appear in the search results. When you find the app, click on Add to Slack. This will take you to a new screen where you need to hit Install. It's crucial here to authorize the integration to function correctly by clicking Allow. Authorizing links your Asana account with your Slack workspace, optimizing the interaction between the two platforms so that updates and notifications can flow seamlessly, thereby keeping everyone in the loop without constantly toggling between applications. Now that you have the app installed, it's time to link your Asana projects to Slack channels for real-time updates. Choose a Slack channel where you prefer to receive Asana updates. Once you're in the desired channel, type in the command Asana link. This prompts you to select which Asana project you wish to sync to that particular channel. This step is pivotal as it establishes the direct line of information from specific projects to your Slack workspace, helping you stay organized. Once you've selected the Asana project, you'll be asked to dive a little deeper into your notification preferences. You can choose to get updates on new tasks, receive notifications for completed tasks, and stay informed about comments. Tailoring these notifications ensures that you get the right amount of information without feeling overwhelmed, allowing you and your team to prioritize relevant updates. Once you've made your selections, finalize this setup by clicking Save. This confirms your choices and sets the integration live, delivering Asana updates directly into your chosen Slack channel. Pretty smooth, right? Before we wrap up, here are some handy extra tips. If you're unsure of all the commands, type Asana help in Slack to access a list of available commands. If you need to unlink a project, simply use Asana unlink. Should you encounter any issues, you can always reauthorize the integration through Asana by navigating to Apps and selecting Manage Apps. Following these steps, you'll have a workspace that is set up to maximize efficiency between Asana and Slack, fostering better communication and task management.